hardest part for me is I want to say it, but I think it's probably my college. Like there are companies that are having 10 times more distribution than us,
Yeah.
but you'll not believe it. We have a pretty good market share as compared to them. People don't know, like Bitsians don't know the power of Bits. They think that Bits is probably just for no attendance policy and decent placements. है ना?
Yeah.
But
Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of Founder Fundas. And today we'll be talking to Dhruva Pai Angle, who is the co-founder of Fodu Club, has a massive following across all social media platforms and is able to manage all of this while still being a fourth year student at BITS Goa. So Fodu Club is an online platform which supports students preparing for engineering entrance exams like JEE and BITSAT. It offers courses, mock tests, detailed performance analysis and mentorship from top achievers which helps students enhance their exam strategy and address weaker areas. Today let's dive deeper into his journey and the fundas behind building Fodu Club. So let's go.
so my day depends on my labs and classes कब कब है. So I'm attending the classes of like two to three courses depending on the because उसमें सरप्राइज भी होता है कभी attendance होता है. So if I have a class at 10 a.m. I wake up at 9 a.m. If I have a class at 12 p.m. I wake up at 10 a.m. Generally. Apart from that, I just get up, I freshen up, I see what I have to do for that day. मतलब उस particular day के लिए मेरा काम क्या है कि मतलब क्या मैं करूँ जिससे मेरे आज के टास्क अचीव हो जाए. Then I go to class, I have breakfast somewhere, probably in the cafeteria या फिर some outlet. Then I come back and I try to complete those tasks एक एक करके.
Okay.
जैसे for example आज मेरा क्या टास्क था. I had to speak to our accountant and I had to file some taxes TDS. तो वो मैंने पहले किया. उसके बाद आई हैड टू हम लोग आज एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे. सो आई हैड टू गेट द वीडियो डन फ्रॉम द एडिटर एंड ऑल्सो गेट द थंबनेल रेडी फॉर दैट. तो मैंने वो किया. फिर उसके बाद आई स्पोक टू कुशल एंड आई ऑल्सो स्पोक टू माई डैड. थोड़ा मुझे एडवाइस चाहिए था इसलिए. एंड देन आई आज हॉलीडे था बिकॉज पहले मिड सेम खत्म हुआ है. सो आई जस्ट चिल्ड फॉर सम टाइम एंड then I was like, okay, शाम को मुझे अयान का वीडियो बनाना है. So I was gearing up for that. So I just had dinner from mess and I came.
Nice.
So that's it.
So like what's the hardest part of this, all of this, managing stuff or building Fodu Club? What's the hardest part for you and what's the hardest part for Fodu Club to scale abhi?
Okay, the hardest part for me is I want to say it, but I think it's probably my college because it's very heavy. Like even you are a dual degree student.
Yes.
You know that when you have 2 degrees to handle, it becomes very difficult. इस सेमेस्टर में मेरे 7 कोर्सेज हैं और 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. अगले सेमेस्टर में भी मेरे 8 कोर्सेज होंगे. तो 7-8 कोर्सेज के साथ प्रोजेक्ट्स करना और उसके बाजू में ये मैनेज करना, that itself becomes very challenging for me. And that's why like somewhere I have to compromise on my grades if I want to do this.
Obviously.
And a lot of times people don't understand this, but it's very difficult to manage like itna hectic semester along with building a startup. So that's the challenge I face on a personal level. And Fodu Club ke liye the challenge as in I think we're doing pretty good in our space.
Okay.
One challenge that we are somewhere facing is distribution. We want to build a better distribution, but we have kind of fixed that by great word of mouth. So people like there are companies that are having 10 times more distribution than us.
Yeah.
But you'll not believe it. We have a pretty good market share as compared to them, and that's only because of word of mouth.
Yeah.
So because we don't have distribution, we're trying to build up somewhere else.
True. The fact you mentioned कि it's built by Bitsians and also the fact कि it's a good product और एक और social proof यही है कि the alumni of this Fodu Club are now mentors.
Yeah.
So that only So
that is insane. Like that is insane. People apply. Like there are a lot of people in the group right now who are going to answer JEE and BITSAT next year, and they are like, अगले साल after I join it, I will join you all as a mentor. Like कभी से they are ready.
But that really speaks a lot about the culture, कि कितना तो
and not just that, like जैसे हमारे platform पे there is a course for English and logical reasoning. It is made by someone who was in Fodu Club पहले.
Okay.
A first year student college का बंदा. He told me, भैया मेरा English and LR बहुत strong है, मैं एक course बना सकता हूँ. I was like, ठीक है. We asked him how much would be the compensation. He was like, I want to just support you all. So he made a full-fledged course for us. We tried to compensate him sufficiently for that. And वो course को बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब अभी एक परसों ही मैंने एक लड़की से बात की थी. She unfortunately did not get into BITS, but she scored almost full mark in English logical reasoning section, and she had done the course. तो ये भी मतलब हमारा एक स्टूडेंट ही था. बाकी a lot of people who are not in BITS, but they still reach out to me saying कि हमको ये करना है, वो करना है, करना है. I try to help them with others.
So like to me it really sounds exciting कि मतलब what's all coming in the way of Fodu Club. Or but what's your plan with it? मतलब तुम how do you see, like we both will be graduating next year, and like I will be graduating next year, you would be next to next. So अभी current status पे how do you see Fodu Club progressing in the next 2 to 3 years?
Okay, so the way it is growing currently, I think in the next 2 years time. So I'm graduating in 2026.
Yes.
So by the time my graduation year comes, I am mostly planning on skipping placements because I think it is going fine and I'll be able to manage it अच्छे से because of I'm thinking to like go and invest more time in this.
Okay.
So that is there. So इसके अलावा भी मतलब इसके अलावा क्या पूछा था तुमने
कि the future of Fodu Club and the future of group.
Okay. So I think when we hadn't started this, we were very naive and we did not know what are the possibilities in the education space, what are the possibilities in general, matlab in the ecosystem. But when you build a startup, you come across hundreds of problems, and we are just noting down all those problems that we are facing because those problems can literally be new problem statements. Like you can literally build more things for that. So there are a couple of problems we have faced in our journey. The next step is probably going to be fixing one or two of those problems and building more products to solve them. So we are also trying to enter the we are working on अभी हम लोग D2C space में हैं. We are thinking of how to work in the B2B space also.
B2B space, then is it that you would be collaborating with your competitors itself? क्योंकि like
no. We'll be collaborating with other businesses. Other businesses that are not our competitors but require the service we are providing.
मतलब to me it sounds a bit confusing मतलब कि what you are providing value with is education material and courses and also some guidance for students who are preparing for JEE and BITS. So from my knowledge, who do you think कि मतलब what other business would find this helpful?
So apart from the things that we're doing right now, we're also building a product. We're building a tech product.
So, regarding this itself, regarding the BITSAT and preparation tips itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But we are trying to make it versatile so that there are a couple of businesses that are not tech enabled.
Okay.
They can use our product to come online. They can use our product to, make their entire system more efficient. Basically, जो offline businesses हैं, or maybe old businesses हैं, they don't have a great organization system tech-wise. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को इश्यूज होते हैं.
ओके. हाँ.
So we think that we can build something that can help them and their students
Got it.
to
हाँ.
study using tech.
Makes sense. Got it. मतलब this looks exciting मतलब ऐसे, and मतलब मुझे actually देखना होगा कि how is it executed. तो
This is a different vertical, मतलब it's not
हाँ.
Photo Club. We'll probably
okay,
be in a
it's not
different.
Photo Club. Got it. ठीक है.
No. It is Photo Club
It's
Private
Photo
Limited,
Club, but
but it's not necessarily Photo Club. हाँ.
yes मतलब same purpose different solution sort of. Same purpose भी
yeah.
शायद नहीं सही होगा ना, क्योंकि
नहीं, मतलब बेसिकली मान लो जोमेटो है, कंपनी का नाम जोमेटो है, लेकिन जोमेटो के अंदर ब्लिंकिट आता है, हाइपर प्योर आता है, फीडिंग इंडिया आता है, जोमेटो इटसेल्फ आता है जोमेटो ग्रुप के अंदर. तो जोमेटो सॉल्व्स फूड डिलीवरी, ब्लिंकिट सॉल्व्स हाइपर लोकल डिलीवरी.
Got it.
District is going to solve going out segment. Hyper pure solves B2B procurement of raw materials. तो एक ही कंपनी के अंदर बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
हाँ. So that's what you are trying to work towards.
We think that has potential and we are trying to invest our time in that. So let's see मतलब what happens. अभी हम लोग we're still in the ideation process for that.
चलो, that's good to know यार. And मतलब is there anything जो तुम, I know कि bits जो join करने वाले उनको काफ़ी tips तो देते ही already, but those who are already in bits and who somewhat aspire to be founder one day, तो उनके लिए do you have something like takeaway or some message you would like to share?
Okay, for the people who are joining bits and they want to start up, right?
The people who are already in bits,
Okay. Okay. I think that yeah, मतलब the honesty, people don't really know the potential of bits. ठीक है. I think bits is a very big and a very powerful playground. If you use bits का network efficiently, you can easily मतलब you can easily like leverage the bits का network to do very big things. Like you won't believe it, मतलब trust me, तुम कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाओगे ना, तुम कुछ भी करोगे, तुम्हारे इनिशियल कस्टमर्स बिट्सियंस ही होंगे हमेशा. ठीक है. If you build a B2B software, your initial customers are going to be Bitsians themselves.
Okay.
And that gives us a very big leverage because लोगों को initial customers मिलते ही नहीं है.
True.
Right. The very fact that you can get first 5 to 10 customers easily gives you the liberty कि तुम उसको grow करके 20, 30, 40 कर सकते हो, है ना?
Agreed.
I know founders. Those founders know other founders. Those other founders know more other founders. The network is insane. I think Bits overall मतलब has thousands of founders. है ना?
Yeah.
And all these people are very happy to help you if you are a Bitsian.
True.
So I will मतलब people don't know, like Bitsians don't know the power of Bits. They think that Bits is probably just for no attendance policy and decent placements, है ना?
Yeah.
But Bits के नेटवर्क का बहुत वैल्यू है. मतलब अगर तुम उसको सही से यूज करना सीखो, भाई मतलब एक्सिस बैंक के सीईओ से लेके बहुत सारे ऐसे SaaS कंपनीज के जो मतलब एकदम रिमोटली काम कर रहे हैं कि फाउंडर्स बिट्सियंस हैं. ठीक है.
True.
तो लाइक मैं एक जगह पे PS1 कर रहा था एंड हमको एक स्टार्टअप का कॉम्पिटिटिव एनालिसिस करने बोला था.
हाँ.
The first thing I came to know about a startup that I was doing competitive analysis of is that it's a Bitsian startup. Very random. So I got my first internship in a Bitsian startup. And I think that the potential for any Bitsian is limitless. IITs में क्या ना बहुत segregation होता है. बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, खड़गपुर. Bits में segregation नहीं है. तुम पिलानी क्यों, मैं गोवा का हूँ, हम लोग सेम जगह पे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, हमको कुछ डिफरेंस फील नहीं हो रहा है. है ना? So वो एक अपने आप में काफी अच्छी चीज है. And if you're a Bitsian, please leverage the Bits network. I'll say it is never going to end. It's a never-ending, flow of opportunities. So
agreed, man.
I think you will agree. You have spent more time at Bits than me. I'm pretty sure that you have experienced this, and definitely will agree.
डेफिनेटली भाई, मतलब दैट्स द बिगेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ बिटचेन, मतलब जो मैं भी ठीक से अभी तक लेवरेज नहीं कर पाया हूँ, बट आई नो कि मतलब इट्स अ हिडन जेम जो बहुत लोग एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर रहे अभी, बट
मतलब मैं भी नहीं कर पाया हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ना बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले उसकी वजह से।
सेम ईयर
एंड आई थिंक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है भाई आज की डेट में। पीपल डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली, पीपल टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड, बट you get a lot of opportunities if you place yourself out there in bits.
वही मतलब आई फील कि being a Bitchian makes it a bit easier to have that 0 to 1 and 1 to 10 customers, and
Yeah.
after that the 10 to 100 journey automatically happens with the word of mouth if you are good.
हाँ,
तो
ठीक है, मतलब I think किसी भी startup में ना, like consider if you're a D2C company, let's say, then getting your first 100 customers, I think that's the key. If you are able to, जैसे जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम टेस्ट सीरीज लॉन्च की थी, you will believe, पता नहीं तुम बिलीव करोगे नहीं करोगे, मैंने 150 लोगों से कॉल पे बात करी
ओके
just to take रिव्यूज कि what do you think about this, कि क्या improvements कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ
Now as I just told you ना कि some days ago I was talking to a girl जो बिट्स में नहीं पढ़ती है, that was my feedback call. I was taking feedback from her कि क्या improve कर सकते हैं.
ओके
तो अगर तुम्हारा मतलब वही है D2C है, तो फर्स्ट 100 कस्टमर्स तुम्हें लाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. बट इफ यू आर डीलिंग विद बिजनेसेस, you know so many bits and founders, you can reach out to them on LinkedIn, you can reach out to them by email. हमारे बिट्स के ईमेल में सारे मतलब alumni के भी ईमेल होते हैं, ईमेल आईडीज है ना. तो getting your first 5 to 10 customers, 5 to 10 business customers is very doable if you are a Bitsian, and that gives you the head start which a normal person doesn't get.
agreed भाई, मतलब
Definitely.
and मतलब I feel कि मतलब the purpose which I wanted to record this podcast वो already solve हो चुका है इससे तो, and just wanted to highlight कि how has Fodu Club grown to the level which is right now, or what's the future plans. तो thanks a lot for sharing that भाई, and अगर कोई ending messages you would like to give away before going, that would be great, but it was a great podcast overall.
Yeah, मतलब I'm very I'm always excited to make videos with fellow Bitsians, and I just have fun, you know, conversing with different types of people. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके, and I had a lot of fun. So let's see मतलब if we can meet in person sometime.
ट्रू भाई, मैं आऊँगा, मुझे फोडू क्लब का देखना है जो आइडिया आपने आज डिस्कस किया.
Definitely, sure. Please, मतलब if you ever come to Goa, just let me know. I will I'll give you a tour of the Goa campus and बात करते हैं बैठ के.
Sure भाई, and looking forward. Okay, all the very best for the journey ahead.